Hi there, I'm Joe here at Intelligent Labor and Moving. Today I'm just going to be going over the proper way to make up a box. So first off, you want to, if the box has any kind of logo on it, you want to make sure you're taping it up the right way. You don't want the box to end up being upside down. So you start by squaring up the bottom. You want to make sure you're using packing tape and not masking tape or duct tape or anything else like that. It's not good for it. Then I do 2 strips across this way, slightly overlapping each other. Make sure that all the edges are flattened down. It's not going to peel off. You flip it over, there's your box, ready to go. And after you fill the box, you want to make sure that you have no empty spaces in it. So if you do, you want to fill that with packing paper. Just crumple it up and fill in so that it's not going to crush if there's anything on top of it. If this is a box with books in it, it's going to be at the bottom of the load on the truck. So most likely there's going to be a bit of weight on top of it, so you want that to be solid. After it's full and you have no empty spaces in it, tape up the top just like we did the bottom, making sure it's square. 1 strip that way. Two strips across the long way, slightly overlapping. Then you want to label it with what room it's going to. Let's say this is books, and it's going to the office. You want to label it office. Put a circle around that. Also label the side. And then you also want to label what's in the box so you know where to find it when you're unpacking. This is books. If it's anything that's breakable, if it's something fragile, you want to write TLO, which stands for top load only. Movers will know what that means. Highlight that to make sure they see it. You also want to write that on the side of the box. That way the movers will know that's top load only, nothing can be stacked on top of it. And it's as simple as that. So good luck, and I hope this helps make your move go smoother. Happy moving.